Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deja Imani, and today I'm bringing you my curly hair routine. Yes, I know this video has taken me forever to upload. Yes, I know I probably should have started my channel off with this video, but did you know this process takes about 4 hours? I think the fuck not. Alright, and somehow I got this footage to be less than 15 minutes, so you're welcome. In any case, if this is your first time over to my channel, hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe down below. And if you're one of my return subscribers, sup Dage Gang, thank you so much for your continued support. And let's roll the footage. Now if your hair is as dry as mine, you're going to want to completely saturate it underneath the shower for as long as you think necessary. My hair takes a while because I have low porosity, so I need warm water to do so. Then I split my hair down the middle, and I split that half into another half and twist up that front section with a duckbill clip. All the products that I'm using in this video today will be linked down below in the description box. Now this may seem a little unconventional, but I actually detangle my hair before shampooing it. This is the Organics Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. The regular size bottle is 13 ounces and goes for $8.99, but sometimes they have those sales where you can get double the amount. And I don't think that bottle was any more than $13. The consistency isn't super thick, but it has a lot of slip and allows me to detangle my hair with ease. I start off by finger detangling, working from the ends of my hair up to the roots so I don't tear through it. And then I use my Tangle Teezer as a sort of secondary detangler to grab any knots or tangles that I didn't get myself. And I bought this one at Ulta for $12.99. Then I just twist up that section and move on to the next one. That's the amount of hair that I lost in that section. It's honestly not a lot, seeing as you lose about 100 strands of hair per day, and that was a lot less than that. Now I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest of this detangling process. Each section, it's completely the same. You detangle from roots to ends, use a Tangle Teezer, then twist it up. After you're finished detangling, take down all of the twists and completely rinse out the conditioner from your hair, because now it's time to shampoo. Now this is my holy grail product, Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. It's a 13-ounce bottle and it costs $8.99. I focus the shampoo on the base of my scalp. You can see me doing that by separating my hair and literally putting it on my scalp. I use the pads of my fingers. You don't want to use your nails because you can scratch up your scalp and that's not good. And just massage it in. I rinse that one completely out and then I shampoo a second time. This time for a lot longer than I did the first time. The first time is really just to get out any like gel and stuff that I had in there. Then I rinse out that second dose of shampoo. Now it's time to deep condition. Section off your hair once more and twist up the front section into a top knot bun and secure it with a duckbill clip. Then split the back half vertically, twist whichever side you want to start off on. I always start off on the left and secure that section with a duckbill clip as well. I use Aussie Moist's 3-minute Miracle Conditioner. It's super thick. It allows me to glide back through my hair after I'm done shampooing. And honey, that's an 8-ounce bottle for $3.99. It is so cheap. Oh my gosh, it's so good on my pockets. And the bottle usually lasts me anywhere from a month or two depending on how much I use in one wash. I detangle it the same way that I did at the beginning of this video and then just twist up each section individually. After I finish applying all the product and twisting up my whole head, I twist up the 2 twists that are on the same side of my head as you see me doing here and roll it up into a ninja bun and then secure that with a duckbill clip. Now I've watched some other YouTubers that literally get out the shower at this point just to sit under their hooded dryer. I have one as well, but I ain't got time for all that, and I don't like getting wet after I've already dried off. So I just grab a plastic bag. This is really cheap on your pockets because I'm sure you have some around the house. Put it on the back of your head, twist it up like you would do a towel, and secure it with a clip. It's already warm in the shower, and if you are unaware, the majority of the heat that leaves your body leaves through your scalp. So now this is the point where I wash the rest of my body, and it takes about 15 minutes, so my hair deep conditions for that amount of time as well. Remove the bag and take down 1 twist, then secure the rest of the twists away from the section. I run back my fingers through the section and then squeeze out the deep conditioner. This is probably the most important part. I do not rinse it out. Repeat, I do not rinse it out. The leave-in conditioner that I use is by Kinky-Curly Not Today. It's an 8-ounce bottle for $11.99, and this stuff lasts me for months. It's super thick, almost like Vaseline. Like you see, it doesn't drop off with my finger. I spread it between my hands and then separate that back section in between and apply that product there and on top. I use the raking and the praying hands method, where I run my fingers through and I smooth it down. For me, the way you apply your leave-in definitely results in the type of wash and go you'll have in the end. Then I use the Kinky-Curly Coiling Custard. This is an 8-ounce bottle for $18.49. Stop the video. I know y'all heard me say $18.49. Yeah, it's almost $20, but this stuff is worth it. It defines the hell out of my curls, and the jar lasts me a long time, like months at a time, so I don't trip on the price. I'm well aware that a lot of other YouTubers don't like this product because of the drying effect or feeling that it has. If you know, then you know. But I use the raking hand method. It doesn't cause any frizz, and I haven't had any issue with it. So, and here I'm just showing you again the process of me applying these products so you can really get a handle on it. And then this happened. Bruh. Can't we just look at the space that I made for a second? Like, look at the vein. Wow. Now I know all y'all can relate to dropping some expensive ass product down the drain.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest of the video. I'm applying the products to each section the exact same way. There's no change. The only thing that I would say that I do is here where I comb out where I made parts in my head so that when it dries you don't see those parts. This is my hair right out the shower. You can see how defined it is. There's movement. There are actual curls. To maintain the same amount of definition and minimize the amount of frizz that may occur while moisturizing my body, I put my hair back up into the plastic bag the same way that I did in the shower to deep condition. Then I use this towel called a Turkey Twist. It's a microfiber towel that I got from Walmart, and it costs $4.98. It has a little elastic in the back to secure it. And then after you're done moisturizing, take down your hair. I shake mine out, and then I use the towel to squeeze out any excess product and water that may still remain. This is the amount of water and product that I soaked up within the towel. And then to dry my hair, I diffuse it using an Infiniti Pro by Conair. It has a diffuser attachment, and that's how I dry my hair. I diffuse it. I do not air dry. I wish I could be one of those girls that could do that, but I can't. It would take way too long. You diffuse your hair by kind of scrunching it towards your hair using the dryer. I put it on high heat, low setting though. All of the products in today's video can be found at Walgreens, including this blow dryer, but I actually found it at Walmart for cheaper. It cost $26.94 there. When my hair is about 80 to 85% dry, I take off the diffuser attachment and blow direct heat towards my scalp since my roots take longer to dry and this adds volume. And voila, your hair is moisturized, defined, and curls popping. This is how my wash and go turned out. Super defined. It's about, I'd say like 95% dry, but I think it turned out pretty great. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. See you in the next one.
You got it, girl, you got it.